So if you guys last saw the price chart in NVIDIA, the market has rebounded, right? But the question is, how high can we see the market go now? We're going to talk about that today. So buckle in and let's go ahead and get this video started. Check it out. Did the price prediction in NVIDIA going all the way back to like August the 24th, 25th, 2023. I was telling you all that I was looking for the market to go down in NVIDIA, and that is exactly what the market did. It went down right here. September the 15th is when the market in NVIDIA hit our ultimate TP price, which is 6.86%. Don't let people tell you that you cannot anticipate where prices are going to go, because we do it all the time on this channel. Market went all the way down to $410 on the 22nd. If you would have held that long, that would have garnered you 13% profit. But either way, you won. You beat the market. All right, so let's go ahead and get this out the way. Next thing I want to show you is how price in NVIDIA currently is trending. It's still trending in traded. Well, let me just say this. It's trading in a channel. Still. This market in NVIDIA has been bouncing in between these two lines. So now if that's going to be the case, then maybe this is a good entry point to come into the market in NVIDIA and buy. What do you think? And even if you're going to buy it, it doesn't mean that price is going to run all the way up here to the resistance line though. It doesn't mean that. Another good thing that I like in this particular market so far in NVIDIA is how price now is trading above this line. Okay, so this means that the market currently is a little bit more bullish than it is bearish, just right off the bat, just by what occurred into the market yesterday in NVIDIA. Now we come back down below this line, $440, then we need to have another conversation, and it may not be too good if you're a buyer. So right now it looks pretty decent. Let's look at NVIDIA real quick on the 2-day chart. What do you guys think? Like I said, the market is rebounding, but we need to be cautious into how high we think price is going to go. I mean, it may just run up to this area and come right back down. Here it is on the 3-day time frame. 8 hours and 54 minutes left before this current 3-day price bar completes, and it still looks decent. I'm just saying decent to the point that is stable. It doesn't look like the market is extremely weak or that it's about to crash or plummet. It's just trading right now. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. Okay, real quick look on the weekly. So from this weekly price bar in NVIDIA to where we got that weakness triggered, the market on the following week went back up. Again, that tells you that this area right here is where buyers are hitting the market. We had the same type of idea occur here on August the 7th, the week of, and then the week of August the 14th. The same idea occurred. Now you can see what happened then. Are we going to see the same thing now? This is on the weekly time frame. Look at this on the 2 weeks. I even like this on the 2-week time frame. Like you can see where demand is hitting the market in NVIDIA. This is fantastic when the market looks so clear. Look at that. Every time the market comes down to 440, 400, the buyers come into the market and push the price right back up. So it looks to me like the market is not finished with trading above $400. Not yet in NVIDIA. Here it is on the 3, 5, and the monthly. Okay, so I think I got the gist of what I'm looking forward to into the market in NVIDIA. I'm looking forward to go higher. Like I said, we definitely need to be a little bit more cautious towards how high could we see the price go. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and create these targets to what I'm looking for price in NVIDIA to run towards. We may have enough momentum and demand in NVIDIA to hit this area. So these are the 3 targets right there. So let me show you on the daily time frame. Let me cut this out the way, clean this up. That's one thing we don't do here on this channel. We don't plaster all these indicators and lines off the chart. Here's our first target, 457, 2%. Second target is up here at 466, 465, 4.25. And then our third target is all the way up there around 478, which is 6.8% there. Now, the sooner that we find selling and resistance, the less likely it's going to be that NVIDIA is going to hit our third target. I'm just going to give you that straight. So don't think that the market's going to run all the way up to 480. If it does, it's going to take it, to me, it's going to take it a while. It's going to be days to where the market goes down, trades sideways a couple of days, and then one day it goes up a couple of percent, fall back down a couple of percent. You know, something in that sort is something that I'm anticipating the market and NVIDIA to do. Okay. And then as long as the market holds 420, we're going to anticipate price to be a little bit more bullish. And that is it. I'm done. Let me know what you guys thought. Your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.